Hello everyone, this is Vipul Sharma and I once again warmly welcome all of you on our YouTube channel of Team 360. Friends, first of all, we are very grateful for your support and cooperation of watching our program on YouTube on regular basis. As you know, we have uploaded already 5 videos that was in English and you people liked it. Actually, we made it on public demand and you liked it. That's why we are very grateful for your support. Friends, this is our 6th video and as I have shared all information regarding business opportunity in our 5 videos. This is our 6th video and in which I will share the authenticity of the product, because usually people ask, sir, like you are talking about DMIT, pineal gland, so many courses you have. Okay, we can understand that your company is having, but how much the products that you have are authentic? And already I have shared, already I have said this in our previous videos that we will discuss in a particular video and we will discuss about authenticity in a particular video. So this is that video in which I will share the authenticity of the product. Okay, so let's start. See friends, we will discuss all products that we have like DMIT, pineal gland, ESP, photographic, QSR, NLB, brain engineering, so many products that we have, and we will discuss the authenticity of the products and we will do it one by one. So we will take first DMIT and we will discuss about DMIT. But my dear friends, I would like to tell you one thing. To understand authenticity of a product, for that what you need is to understand that product, the full detail you must have. You must know the knowledge about that product, you must have the knowledge about that product, you must have command on that subject, so that would be easy to understand the authenticity of the product. So here what would we do? We would do 2 things. First, we will understand DMIT. We will understand all products, we will know about all products that we have, but first we will start with the DMIT, and in which what will we do? I will share all information regarding DMIT, like origin of DMIT, the use of DMIT, why do you need DMIT, why do you need to take fingerprints, why do you need to believe in DMIT, everything we will discuss about DMIT. After that, like where did this concept come from, who made this concept, who created this concept, the authenticity of the concept, we will discuss in 2 parts. First, we will share everything regarding DMIT, and after that we will discuss the authenticity, the documents that we have. Definitely we will discuss with the help of documents, so that would be easy to understand the authenticity, the specific, that word authentic, how much this product is authentic, how many products that you have are authentic. We will discuss with documents, don't worry. Okay, so let's start with DMIT. See, what is DMIT? DMIT is a Singapore based concept and the full form of DMIT is dermatographics multiple intelligence test. Dermatography is a word and derma means skin and graphy is a Greek word which means to take print. Actually it is word but seems like sentence, I would say. Derma means skin, graphy is a Greek word, as I said, means to take print. So what we are doing, we are taking print of skin, we are taking print of derma, that's why we say dermatographics. Multiple means many things, intelligence means intellect, test means to examine. So the full form of DMIT is dermatographics multiple intelligence test. Now I tell you, where did this concept come from? I tell you friends, this DMIT concept is a combination of 3 theories. Like the first theory was propounded by an eminent professor, Dr. Howard Gardner, who introduced a theory of multiple intelligence. And he said in his theory that every person has 8 multiple intelligences and it is your duty to recognize the best of yours. So this was first theory. Second theory was propounded by an eminent professor, Dr. Harold Cummins. See, Harold Cummins brought the theory of palm. What he said that brain can be read by the inner layer of your palm. Like he, with the help of his mathematical calculation, he said that brain can be read by the lines made on the inner layer of palm. And this was the second theory which he introduced. And then third theory that was introduced by an eminent doctor, Nobel Prize nominee, Dr. Roger Spire. And he said in his theory that as far as science, as far as psychology is concerned, we are having two brain, left and right. So if you are left brain dominated person, that means you are good enough for engineering, medical, IS. And if you are right brain dominated person, that means you are good enough for a musician, sports person, businessman and all. So more or less, if you are left brain dominated person, that means you are logical. And if you are right brain dominated person, that means you are artistic. So that was the theory of Dr. Roger Spire. But upcoming scientists were very intelligent. What they did, they combined all these three theories, and then DMIT was named. Okay, after that DMIT came into existence. Now I tell you friends, see, the challenge was who would use this concept. So Russia was the first country who started using this concept in 1970, and they introduced that concept in Olympic for their country. And what they did, they selected players with the help of DMIT. And end of the day, in 1976, they won 125 medal with the help of the DMIT, because they won in 72 50 medals, and in 76 after using that DMIT they won 125 medals. That was in record. You can Google it, and definitely the records are there. You can read this. So Russia was the first country who started using this concept. Now I tell you, see, this was the brief introduction, like who introduced this concept, where did DMIT come from. Now I will tell you the brief introduction of DMIT, like how does this program work, okay, the beauty of this program. So let's discuss about DMIT. After that, definitely we'll discuss about authenticity. So what is DMIT? It is a Singapore based concept in which what we do, we take fingerprint of people, those who are interested. Okay, we are talking about the people, and in which what we do, we take fingerprint of people, and there is a machine, softwares and scanner. With the help of that system generates that report, and with the help of that DMIT we would know 5 important things. First, for what profession your brain is made of internally. This report will tell you. It helps you in order to understand the beauty of yours, the beauty of your brain, the personality of yours. So first thing is, for what profession your brain is made of internally, like engineering, medical, IS, doctor. Second, this report will tell you, like, do you hide something when you get hurt with your friends, family and colleague and all. Third, this report will tell you the dominance of your brain. As far as psychology is concerned, as I said, like psychology is concerned, there are 2 brains, left and right. So if you are left brain dominated person, that means you are good enough for engineering, medical, IS. And if you are right brain dominated person, that means you are good enough for musician, sports person, businessman and all. Apart from this report will tell you the quotient of yours, like how much, like as far as quotient is concerned, IQ, EQ, CQ, AQ, these are the quotients. And how much intelligent you are, IQ. How do you behave in adverse situation, adverse quotient. How much creative you are, and how much stronger or weaker you are when it comes to emotions. So this report tells each and everything. Not only these things, but this report will tell you like, is there any language barrier that you are facing to speak in front of people, or is there any stage phobia, like people feel like that kind of phobia. So if you are facing that kind of challenge, definitely this report will help you in order to understand the challenges that you are facing and the strength of yours. Not only these things, but the report will tell you the intrapersonal skills of yours, the interpersonal skill of yours, the observation level of yours. Everything would be covered by this report regarding this. That's why I said 5 points. First point was for what profession your brain is made of. Second was dominance of your brain. Third was quotient. Fourth was observation. And so that's why I did this in 5 points, so it would be easy to understand the beauty of this program, the beauty of DMIT, the beauty of our brain. And this is that DMIT. Not only these things, but this report will tell you the overall personality of yours, how do you behave in every aspect of life. This report helps you in order to understand. So this is DMIT. So friends, this is DMIT. Now if you would like to know more about DMIT, if you would like to know more about company products that we have, you may call on these numbers that are being shown on your screen. You may call on these numbers, you may WhatsApp, and definitely we would love to help you. And now friends, this is DMIT. Now we will discuss the authenticity of DMIT. Now we will discuss the authenticity of DMIT in next video. Till then, bye bye.